The mobile phone charger is broken and the mobile phone cannot be charged. We replace a charging cable. If it still cannot be charged, we can judge that the problem lies with the charging station. However, if it is broken, most of it can be repaired. No matter what shape the charger is, it has a cover that can be disassembled. Let's take a look here. Here, we can first use the blade to make a gap back a little, and then use the pry bar to repair the shell card. If the charger is good, it will cost more than 100 yuan, and if it is cheap, it will cost dozens of yuan. However, if it is broken, do-it-yourself repair is not to save money. If you just fix it yourself, this instrument cannot be bought with money. Take this as an example. Let's use this tester to see if the mobile phone can't be charged just now. There is no display here, which means it is broken. If it is normal, we will find 2 to see. There is this display when it is plugged in, and then we will disassemble it. There's a small version inside. Pull it out, and then we look at the vitality key on the top to see if there are obvious symptoms of burning and cracking. Then turn over the back to see if the silver corners absorb sweat. Generally, the charger cannot be charged after brushing it, or it can be charged sometimes and cannot be charged sometimes. But there is a washing machine, and then we use the computer to stick the 2 terminals here to weld them into this welding attack. Because the inside is 220 degrees here, the chicken cannot be cooked well. After brushing, the chicken cannot be cooked well. The goods have been used for a long time. He washed the fire and used this computer iron to weld a layer of welding to wash it. The key point is to look here and connect it here. Most of the problem's here. Here we press it in again, cover the lid, and take a look. Take a look. This charger cannot charge the mobile phone. It is broken. Use this method to easily repair it. Now, let's look at it upwards. The mobile phone is already charging. In this way, the charger is repaired. The method is simple and practical. Have you learned it?